Today I will be making these healthy and delicious oat bars, which are packed with nutrition. The two major ingredients are oats and bananas. Oats are rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, fiber, and protein as well. Bananas are another good source of potassium. Let's get started. First, you'll want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. First ingredient will be 2 cups of powdered oats, so just take rolled oats and blend them until a flour consistency. I'm making a double batch from the original recipe. 2 cups of rolled oats. So there we go. The major ingredient in this recipe is oats. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And half a teaspoon of salt. So that is all the dry ingredients. Mix those together until combined, and then we'll go ahead and peel the bananas. Make sure these bananas are nice and ripe, so they're soft, they look spotty on the outside. Just peel them, squeeze them in the bottom. That's the best way to open the banana. And then just slice and smash until pulverized and a kind of fluid mixture. One cup soy milk. And a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. So now that we have the wet and the dry, just go ahead and combine them and mix together. This is a pretty straightforward recipe. And if you want, you can add in more cinnamon or a little nutmeg. Nutmeg is stronger, so use less. Chia seeds, final ingredient. This is important for plant-based recipes because chia seeds help thicken up and hold together bars in particular, and muffins. And they're also a great source of omega-3s and fiber. And if you want, you can throw in, a 1/4 cup of, or a 3/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. The large chocolate chips make it harder to spread. I would recommend using the small chocolate chips. I was using large and discovered that issue. Then just line a baking sheet with parchment paper. You don't need to line it, you need to just put it over the baking sheet and dump it out onto the baking sheet. And once batter's there, just spread it out and it will flatten down. The parchment paper will flatten into the pan. And spread very evenly. If you don't spread it evenly, then it won't cook evenly. And like I said, it will be easier if you use mini chocolate chips or no chocolate chips. It also will be healthier if you don't use chocolate chips. A substitute you could use instead of chocolate chips could be cacao nibs. Then sprinkle with some more cinnamon if you like. And it's ready to go in the oven. Bake these for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. "25 minutes is up, and they're ready to come out. And there they are. They should look a little bit crisp on top. If you put cinnamon, it's hard to tell, but these will cook in 25 minutes in pretty much anyone's oven. Then let them cool for about 15 minutes and slice them into the sizes that you want. They're very firm even immediately out of the oven. You can cut them and they will hold up very nicely. The chia seeds do a wonderful job for holding and firming the bars. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I'll answer it. And if you want to see more recipe videos, subscribe to my channel and I will upload frequently.